in a video sauce I put in a blend. See sauce that you say no, then video in a blend.
You blend it up.
Come on there, youth.
Mama.
It's sweet. This.
And use some sauce. Daddy, is that food there? Yeah, holla man.
You can't put the irere on it, irere.
Oh, really?
You can't put no sauce on the rice. You have to put it on the side. You get a better eating.
You're gonna make me come in there.
Go, Daddy.
Don't make me come in there.
No man.
Come here.
No missing no, God knows.
The chicken don't fry, man. In the other pan.
I sample food now.
Look here. Look here.
I sample plate.
What the hell are you making this? Sweet, I hate your first.
This a big side eye. It ain't no one, you know, it's so hard.
Porky
Peel the
fit.
pear and put it on.
Porky 15 right. No, you're pointing the knife on me, spiritual justice wrong.
That's it.
Let me cut up a pear for you.
I each go eat it now. Dirty people. See there? That is what you call dirty people. See her there? People with talk about eat food is dirty people.
Yeah, man.
That's how them living now.
Daddy. Mahasa.
No man, that no man.
It's not that, man.
God knows.
Hold on. A spirit cooking tonight through me there.
Not even sweet spice. God Almighty, no.
Almighty creation tells you everything.
Same thing, myself. You want to feel the right taste? You put the pear, the pasta, the rice, the chicken in your mouth. A little bit of chicken, a little bit of pasta, a little bit of pear.
Perfect rice.
And put everything in your mouth.
And taste the chicken separate right now.
Hey, you want a nicer food than
You go see the spice, go have food already. And then
Are you pointed pan in a pocket? Turn it round.
Turn it round.
Lord God.
That's how it goes.
No, I see what you give me, you know.
That's how you
So me no look on the face or nothing.
turn it round.
That's how it goes.
They want it?
No.
Come walk. Walk, because this is a food that
It's
gets,
sideways.
this is a food that gets to me head.
Food get to your head, man.
God no, me tell you the truth. Seriously. This is one under rum.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Well high, so you're saying you sit
And
down.
the exaggeration. And the exaggeration.
This
Make
right
it
It's
here.
really nice, really, man.
This right here.
The pepper in the rice and peas just send up in.
Chicken raw. Everything there.
What a garlic powder we throw up on it, man.
Tell the garlic
And we
powder.
put the garlic powder in that. We put the garlic powder in this something again.
Yeah.
The next one, and put the garlic powder in the egg. Yeah. What is that?
Oh my God, my belly shall good food. Ah, me see boss no. Lord God. Watch my daughter come through the gate. Nick gonna open the gate. Kitana come with fear plate to get fear sample. Oh my God, this is Kitana. Welcome to the club, Kitana. Hi.
So we need a girl of Kitana. You're the girl in the club.
Let's turn over mommy rum. Mommy rum right there, rum punch. Rum punch. You sound too country like.
You do selfie, right? Don't you do selfie on Instagram?
Yeah, you know, see
You
it's
do
self.
selfie on Instagram. So
Put him pan,
like
put
your
him pan.
phone.
Unique.
So the girl who said that we want in the club there, see her there.
Talk your mind.
Talk
Put
to
him
mine.
in. Put him in the kitchen. Properly.
Which are the best
Yeah, man.
I ever eat?
Yeah, man. May I tell you?
Two great chefs.
If we link up together, man, and we cook them a food, man, every day, man. Remember me tell you, say, people crazy, people mad.
Serve them with mango juice,
Yeah, man.
real mango
Yeah.
juice, real carrot juice,
Yeah.
real soursop juice.
Yeah.
And real beetroot. And root.
Yeah, put the pear
And beetroot.
I hear the go. Oh yeah,
Well, you know, boss already once people say,
Massacre them up in the place.
Beetroot.
Too bad
Eh?
shit out.
A beetroot with the F food there.
No, beetroot push up pressure, so less beetroot.
Oh, bro.
If you have pressure, beetroot make you lick your lung.
Oh.
So you know to win
Yeah,
night.
yeah, yeah.
Ginger, real ginger juice,
Yeah,
carrot
man.
juice, Everything.
Yeah, man. Must say food are nice. Python not get none. No, Python. Oh, God, he left you with master. A thief them, yeah. What is that? Python can't get none. Now look on the chicken.
It's bad. But from the bottom, I'm pricing.
Yeah.
It's a real Jamaican good life, you know. Nobody come talk to my friend them, you know. When I travel to Africa, I all the good people around me, you know, can make energy good, you know.
Oh my
Me
God.
attract the good people, man. These are the best. These are the best.
It's very nice.
Best combination we ever tasted in my life.
Yeah, man.
And so we could chef them listen and I'm my friend them. I'm my friend them.
No, what are they on the
So you jump no wash.
These are my friends.
Everything washed.
Okay. A madman.
We're not tapping eyes and share out the food.
I'm not full time, I say, can I share?
You hungry?
So they want to
Make it on
You hungry?
No.
Kitana,
So no, come on here.
Kitana.
No food picking me.
Kitana, come here. Come here, Kitty.
Come here.
Come here. Push them put that Kitana. Yeah? I love this something.
Alright, the chicken done, you know. We have to serve this now. Them little chicken are fried till morning come.
No, man, that chicken have to wait first. You know already.
We don't even wrap up. You don't find nothing.
Only stop hang and go to over the food. No man, the chicken them done, man. Then if I eat that before that and that done.
No, that's not.
25 chicken max. Chicken refried, I know.
What?
25 minutes.
So that's the second round.
It's a second round.
What the first round then? Oh, then hold on, no, watch out, back up, hold on there, let me see. See there, hold on, back out. Make the people let me see the first round. See there. Once upon a time there was 1, 2, 3, 4 chicken in the plate.
Let me show you what food here.
Once upon a time there was 4 chicken. And one rat come and him take 1 chicken leg.
That you know what I do now.
Eh?
That you know what
What
I
you say?
You're too
You
tea.
see me a video? Your body not see me teeth, nothing.
You're too tea. Come on, yes or no? Come on,
And the rat.
Come on, Jack.
And the rat bite the
You
chicken.
only have one leg over there.
Run, Kitana, run. I buy one of the chicken leg for the first one. A good man. Good. Real Jamaica good life.
Me move my Sarah doing no. Me that me.
What you say? That's your baby.
No stop.
What she say now?
What time are you saying? But you believe in your family, you're mixed up. Yeah.
Nice and soft. The chicken good. KFC need for dead. We need to bury them. It's a number 1. And the band for rich, you know, don't bother be poor.
But your mouth not raw. I don't like to eat on my mouth raw.
So how you kill the rawness?
Garlic, butter, and garlic.
That's where you put in there.
And pepper.
No, you just want to.
No long women no cook.
Me tell them what they not blue.
No long women no cook. And that's why the rain I go far.
No cook.
That's why the rain I go far. And that's the rain. Yeah. You can't make it. You little man, and that's why.
Kitana, the food bad.
We should put some hot sauce on this. And some carrot juice.
No. Me's here right now.
Want to think back here?
She a future husband in there, so it was not.
Future who? Who?
It was not.
You're
Chef.
not married.
Why you not married in? Why you not married in picnic? How would this on the gate? Who this on the gate today?
When me be.
Who this on my yard? Who this on my yard? You see me sit down in my chair? Who this on my yard? How come you come on my yard when food done? Eh? How you come right as when food done? I smell your food, smell food from your yard, come on my yard. How you getting on my gate?
There's the wood that here.
What?
Wood that here.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, me there.
I don't know where you damn yard. A food ya look. A food ya look. Them give you extra key.
Hello. Good evening.
Trust you, who this on my yard? A food them a look.
Why not stress me out for?
Fly the fire now. Fly a pitch fire now. Now make him look in our pot. Don't make him look in our pot.
Come blind me.
Well, what's you in the island now, man?
Where did this thing here? So you're steaming.
You know, chef I go like say him can't do nothing now, you know. Now that
I find them in the habako.
he can't.
Can't tell me there again.
What?
Blend sauce up.
When you have seen night, you take out the sea first?
Put some fresh
When I wear something, I don't use.
The pepper in there.
I just get
And that we love, you know.
Alright.
Put back the pepper.
That we love, you know. This is the mash up dry up chicken them.
No, man. I'm not chicken. Man. I just get flour.
I need garlic. Put some fresh pepper in it.
Throw them to the sauce up now.
Strain now, strain it.
Why you saying I'll do it again?
Come in like blend sauce up. Too much work. Too much work now. My company stuff. We never get that chicken pan there.
Oh, sorry,
I
man.
don't want you to roll over there, so company
Yeah,
stuff.
man. Yeah, man.
Company side. You ain't thinking about that side.
Still aside. Can't run video with us.
Yeah,
No, if it's a wrap, then give me the chicken.
we know. The 2 foot long.
Yeah, hand me the chicken.
I just say rat a teeth.
Teeth and rat.
Yeah, every rat a teeth.
Teeth and
Only
rat.
4 foot on a teeth.
A 2 frying pan should have chicken should have done already, because that one you want food right now.
Food.
You eat food at work?
Yeah.
So you know, we never used to have fried chicken.
Jerk chicken.
So I want this pan with that today.
Fried chicken.
What? This is a hater. She knows how I cook.
Come on, chop it along. Chop it along.
Put the camera up on him. Your jerk chicken when you name my work. No bad like fried chicken and we right and peas. You don't want no gravy.
You're sell out.
We don't want no gravy.
Sell out. You sell out with chicken. I'm mutiny. We call her sell
You
out.
know me support me all the while. You see me get more. Brother.
Eat up. Show me. Yeah, ready.
Yes.
If my bones so hard, I don't chicken, I might drop off and drop on my foot, you know.
Brother, just tell me something. Taste this.
Yeah, hold on.
You don't want no
It
gravy.
tastes like 10 blues, you beautiful woman.
No gravy now.
It
You take one there, man.
tastes good, you know, the pepper just simmer down nice in there. I know that the sauce they must have good enough for a long time. My mama make it about 3 hours now in my work on it, you
You
know.
can take a little more water to make it run back free. But then say they don't want water it down like it's soursop juice factory.
I'm right, man. Nothing more work for them.
Me depend, you know. Me depend. I monitor the thing, you know. Come on, want to buy teeth the chicken, you know. Don't want nobody.
But no, I want to say that. They just want to make. They just want.
Now she want food, you know.
Bro, no man, I don't want to put that now.
Yeah, man, set me up, man. Put me avocado. Give me the whole of it.
Sit down, you know.
Hey.
How about you?
I'm gonna have a chair. Have a chair, because I wait, you know.
You're a spoiled child.
Me see the chicken, and I smoke some. Let me smoke some herb. Hey, you eat smoke off all my herb? I'm pretty red.
You don't want to build one for them, I know it's about you guys. But me have to like one hand, you know me like it.
Not dirty people, man.
Chicken and it.
Not dirty people, man. It's on. It's just that chicken.
I know someone don't love him no more.
Yeah.
Huh? That's all right, man.
You don't love the chicken?
I don't know.
You didn't know wickedness.
How was sweet me out? How was sweet me out? How was work today? Work was good?
Yeah.
You never miss way?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll cook food for you, man. We're there for you. Bunny, I'm going to happy again tonight. We'll buy egg. And we'll do the chicken and rice and peas. Hey, stop, look through the window and get to work. And I'll slow down the thing.
I didn't know the Python are make when I go to beach today. You?
A python cause it, you know. Slow down with the sauce up, you know.
I put on at 6 o'clock.
Him slow the thing down with the sauce up, you know, python do it.
Come on, I'm telling you, start it.
Leave it, man. Leave it. It's a marinating in the sun.
Drink it out. Every day I like here.
Go bend down little lower. Bend down low. Let me show you what I know, girl. Boy, that's what rum do to you.
Come here.
Bend down low. Man, you drop. Slow yourself down.
I'm not eating. I will eat that.
Wait, she gone already? You eat and left?
No.
She eat and left?
I'm not sure. I put it on. Then put it on.
Me there, man. Not too much rice. Bend down low.
Because the food is nice, you can feel it.
So you gone? You eat and... You eat and left?
No, I'm prepare for the rest of my plate. I'm going to eat some.
So you gone?
Yeah.
No, you're not going to turn it back.
Return it back.
Yeah. Right now when you're there.
Avocado. Jamaica good life. Are the best team this, you know. Y'all have chicken in your mouth, that's how you live? That's how you live, really? Really, that's how you live?
Come on, friend, ring out
Okay.
Can you wait around because of?
I really want beef. That's it. Look at it.
I'm just ready for my time now.
Why, does Trinidad and you stick together like one friend to rat? A drip this,
Anisha, come here.
that I gonna take a million
Come here,
years.
baby. Come here. Just come here a little bit, please.
No man, that's Trinidad. No, we'll get you, make you whole.
Where big I want for this leg?
What?
For this now.
This is bigger one in your hand. Hello, you know say two.
Nadisha, I pay a little thing him have with him.
Yeah, cause me.
Little pot, little strainer, little spoon.
You know, buy make this money
You call me on the phone?
by my mouth.
Oh, me there sleep. Me
Yeah, snore.
Me there snore.
Yeah.
Loud.
Yeah.
Loud up the whole house.
Yeah.
I'll jog here. So yes, Randy, where do you call me for? We go leave with you?
Of course,
Let me
yes.
say.
Oh, somebody did say. At 1 o'clock a.m. me wake up this morning I work. I work in the middle play now. So when you not sleep, me I work.
Yeah.
You don't go nowhere, you can't eat so fast and leave so fast. Real name and
I
gone.
used to think, say, big belly Jimmy. Sit down for the chimney. Mama never see me. Pass me for the.
I really your daughter.
Yo, what that?
Yes, the Almighty Creation has blessed I with the most magnificent meal for today. I sit down on this chair, this pink chair over here, and I pray that one day I will leave and live up on the bird and go back to Jamaica.
Wait.
Yes, man, I eat this. This
Just
is
some carry wet rock on my father.
this movie name. This movie name. Yes, Good Life. Jamaica Good Life. See there, take it. Jamaica Good Life. Jamaica Good Life, I saw it said similar.
What is in there, Randy?
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica good life, Randy.
Yes, yes. Everybody's food you know, ever eaten at Jamaica. My friend them, and my friend them.
Porky.
And more, see, Porky there and the big chef. And my friend them, wanna come on the grill for enjoy. Blessings, love, later. Grab you, them.
So you what in your housewife? You too. What's the piece of me?
At least they are from America.
Massa.
Running. They have already planned food.
Oh, they did. Good for you. You deserve it. After it takes a lot to make the
But
juice.
you never go for fun. You never have a container, that's right. Break a container.
It's a food you might want to
Can I tell them?
And me started, you know, remember saying me buck at the supermarket and me tell me what we pick out, you
Who
know.
started there? I am. I'm not doing so. Like whenever they
You're going to start to make a call him here.
Who don't know me? So when you say you call me, I'm in bed with you watch a movie, you know. And you say, yo, more you meet somebody, and I say, I won't say no. You just put up same time and just put on my shoes and follow you.
And that was it. I mean, no, when I say the first time, I know say you have to go and drive with
The
that.
first thing you say,
Thing.
what a man look
I say
fresh.
up on the grill and you have chicken and you go put
Yeah, when we meet her first, I say, alright, we're going to have a, this one, we go stay on the
right
grill
on the
longer.
grill and eat chicken.
And then we meet him come up and we talk at the beach.
Yeah, man.
And then we talk, you know. But when we meet you, I know, say, you're official, you know.
Yeah, man. You slow down. Let me come back here.
Yeah, it can come up. And kind of pricey from the bottom. So the crust come up on really.
I the nicest dinner listen to me ever life right now.
From me come on the grill.
No, from me there.
From me come on the grill. From when you check it up again, from 21. 8 years, from 21, you say?
32 years, man, and the nicest plate of food
I
never
tell
eat.
you, for real, God knows.
You know? You're nice, man.
I tell you.
When you have talent for kill. When you have got people, God never left on lonely.
I want a little cold sauce serve on the side.
And you see how when
A
you,
little bit of rice.
you see when you have a very cool carrot juice with some nutmeg. With this,
So now greater than nutmeg in the area, so we change the bag. No, nutmeg not going to sauce up to me.
You don't want to make name.
I want them 2 or 3 of my friends. That cook some food and eat and drink.
not where it takes so long for that to the cook that far.
far.
And the machine out there. I never said that. You never hear good. Am I key that?
Put up the talent for video.
Thank you, Nad.
Yeah.
You eat already? So you're not going to eat no more? You're a joker, man.
Yeah, I'm up a bed with it.
Alright.
Sitting ready.
My belly full enough, so I have to go put this in the middle and cover it up.
Cover it up, crepe on it, yeah, crepe on it. And that is food and nice when you're done.
Yes, and when you come back later, bring it to the beach with me. Yeah.
Like you want munch.
You see when you go to the water at the beach and come out, hungry green bite.
Listen to check your man, come on. The depot one video chat now,
Now come over in a for
yeah, dinner.
free food and you. Come me love you.
$500 in my pocket. Okay, I'm okay.
Oh man. Yeah, the real deal. You provide for yourself, take care of your picnic.
And
work hard.
slice fish we buy, yeah. And how much I found? $400.
Watch out.
I don't know if I charge in him, just add that 2 pounds of slice fish, so I'm not tap me pot for and cook. I make nice coconut. And I see everything by put on when I start tomorrow, I'm going to cook something. What me like for the liquor. Yeah, man.
You buy fish for $400 a pound.
I don't $600 a pound over seaside, brother.
Where you say?
$600 a pound for nice dinner fish. Nice size dinner fish. Snapper.
Snapper.
As long as the fish big and Indian fish are $600 a pound. And what they used to give it any big nowadays are $600 we were tough enough cooking for us. I'm also a good friend. Like how me be knowing now, we get discount everywhere.
$600 a
People just
pound.
rate me for my style. I don't pussy myself, for food myself, for food me I'm good. And when I'm done a belly and I hurt you, and you left a taste in your mouth where you never forgot about. You have to come and me to find that the taste. You can't find it no way over the island, cross the water, cross the land.
Come on.
Hey, man, you saw me rice now, this man, you cook for me. You saw me now, I don't pack milk in my rice. Yeah, I understand. This is our random. They say they cook how much pack milk this is by a supermarket. Then they can't put on brother that food, they can't put on till tomorrow, the other day.
Because the coconut real.
And it boiled. Coconut milk for boil. You know, this throwing the pot and throw milk rice pan. You know what they man? It tastes nice too. But I will never have one time. You have to bring it.
Okay.
Fuck up your gut.
Everything natural.
You fuck up your belly. How about the chicken there? Good?
Pork, you're strong, you know. You still got about 10 more picnic, you know. You got about 10 more picnic, man. Now watch it. Me predict it, you know. Boy. What you say now?
You got that you, that python, but me.
And you do the take out and real one. I just go to tea fish and watch it.
Python still around the dripping sauce.
You eat them food and your belly not full too quick, you just keep eating. Can't no heap and no grease, you don't put the grease for your food so your belly full up. And puff up, look on the belly. And yeah, look, 6 feet.
Very firm. 6-pack. I can't see the 6-pack I print out, you know.
Yeah, what you do?
Yeah, man. Yeah, on the article, man. Them are gonna love you all over the world, you know.
I must remember woke up in our
But wait, me not cook for you yet. You see the secret weapon there, sir, no? I'm not even see it yet.
Next week Sunday, you ain't that. I said nothing, we'll pick back and beer. I said nothing.
Not two.
You have to cook, that's when you're ready. You
Yeah, cook us.
come and knock on the door. Pot ready. I said nothing.
I don't cook a soup for them, man. I not left them
I
alone.
pay soup you talk about from my house. Soup on here on Sunday, I tell you.
What you said to me?
No, man.
The way the people them love my soup, they eat it every day. Go straight to Africa, cook soup, them nearly bite off them finger.
What you was cooking? Chicken foot, chicken neck.
Chicken foot, carrot juice, no carrot juice, okra, corn, carrot juice. You see when you drink that? Yeah, man. You still use some carrot, but when you use the carrot juice, you see when you taste the chicken?
No man, it's nice. Right now, tell me about carrot juice. We know say it from a different taste.
Smooth.
Right away, me know. Me taste it in my mouth.
Yes. Silky, soft.
Yes.
So it's a soft chicken.
So, you know, nothing if you carrot juice and drink it mix with milk. You raw. You do some woman and chew nice.
Yes. Wow. Raw carrot
Make
juice.
soup. What's on the day?
And in Africa, I bring it.
With chicken.
Chicken foot,
So you don't use no
okra.
raw carrot and those things.
We use carrot too, and we use
Oh,
pumpkin.
what is it?
We double it up with the pumpkin, carrot, turnip, chocho, okra, season, cornmeal dumpling, 70 to 30%. 70% cornmeal, 30% flour, right? And then you put your pepper in it, some pimento and scallion, thyme and everything. But more especially, when you put the okra in it last at the minute, I make the okra that boil out.
Some people don't like when the soup slimy.
Some people, but they don't feel it now on here. Okra, we cut up the okra, it boil out.
Yeah, but you boil out so you don't make it pot slimy.
Carrot juice balance it. And the corn. Let me tell them, but here's the trick. Anything. Yeah, call woman daddy. Him never know him real father.
What you say, man? You gonna lead. But me don't seek a place, I know. Police, the family, I know, me don't interested to seek somewhere.
Them the point you don't
Me
understand.
get a second. Money I release, or money make you have to get money. You know, crave enough of money I have you there work and you don't have no money now. Now watch for me money, show partner with fear when me give. When you dry, you talk to me. You know, grudge you for your dry. I mean, know when you're dry, you draw something sensible. 200 and 300 and then we talk about. What me say? So for your liquor when me don't give you, and when you share with me, you take it to a partner. The end of the day, and you have to throw one hand partner, throw two hand. That's what I mean. So when you ask if the bank have one hand, and then you don't catch bad mind and no one throw the next one for you get it. Because you catch bad mind for 40 money. Say. And that to use. I build up my I throw one hand partner, man, so I'm sorry for those. Right now, 2 week partner, I'm over 24,000. I'm sorry. I mean, I've been putting up with no man on the man.
So when you ever take a vacation, you ever take a
Boy, I
vacation?
wanted to go and tell me, me see your pa video. See the year buyer. Lord Jesus. And on Facebook, you see your pa 4K video. Everybody was a video of that style. Ah, my God. Yes, Nick, your food, son.
Yeah, man, we started off. We set off the thing right. You
Yeah,
see,
we finish here.
good life. You see, we know if we put people together, you know.
Alright, you have a team.
Good life.
Yeah, we come like we gonna be band from the same one.
See? But I tell you, so for your talent, we
You
attract,
don't turn yourself.
we attract good and bad, you know.
And the
And
Prime
when-
Minister.
Cause the
The
jealous.
Prime Minister now do nothing for we.
Yeah.
You know much people on the street now have a brain, now have a subject. We can go in a hotel, go work. I go get little work for the big man. You just say how much safety you have. I don't know. Boss, me can't help you, you know?
Yeah.
You know, turn to him and ask him, say, then what you can do? Boss, you know, so I can wash your car, I can sweep up your yard, and you pay me by the week. You don't know how much you want to pay me. You don't turn to you and ask him, say, how much a week you want? I say, boss, right, and you know, you can't keep your yard clean, you know. Jump around, love, do any little thing. You still have a talent. You understand? You have to pay him good, make you see around you. You understand? But you dash him way. You know, no subject, so you don't want him. You have to go thief. And then the people, the most of them. And right now, the educated people in the town, bigger gunman, want the dunce one. I dunce one afraid, you know? And him no wanted. No idea. Yeah, no idea. Me alright, I know. Me not enough one time, you know, man. So me taste the pattern now. Me drink pear rum till right till 1 o'clock. You see, I'm ready to go in 1 o'clock. You want one cup of tea. And that the time you slow and you the food. You know, it's not more video.
Yeah.
That's how I tell my daughter I carry plate round me because I don't want nothing more video. Because the first set of food, me eat it. And that's how I like it. And you can't show me gravy on the rice. That's how I like the real coconut milk.
Yeah.
I real coconut milk, you don't want no gravy. Me don't want no gravy because when you cook food, no fuck, man, it's so bad. Food mad. When we say food,
Mad.
mad. And the pear dry.
Yeah.
Avocado dry and nice. You just set me to drink pear around 12 o'clock tonight. It's actually right. Around morning. We call it Sunday
So you're a
morning.
master too. You're a master too. Location. You see me? Even if you start something, you rent a shop. Not if you rent a even place, not too close or close, whatever. You just rent it. You see me? Because when you rent it and start the cooking, people are gonna come. And once them start come, tourists are gonna come. And once the tourists come, it's done. So you have to rent it close by.
You have to rent it close by. To me, to my thing, if me don't come off my road now, me have to pay a man stand up in a town with an old pan when you have.
Yeah, for sell your thing.
Like the same coke pan here. And then that man gonna give that person who come a card, make him know, say, if you're not the fear to do it, she will give back the thing. Or whatever. You have to set your wheel. That's probably not the two wheel. Really this too?
You drive your own man.
Anyway, you have, if you have a location like in the street, like on the street side, you live on high street side, you have to have somebody on your location, send people there.
Yeah, you have to keep your
care
name.
1 month of Facebook, whatever you want going at, it don't really matter. You have to have somebody on your location. Send people there. You have to have something that you advertise it in the same way. So you're gonna use an empty pan as an advertisement.
But you can't keep some pork in it, man. Say how far with them.
Yes, you know, send me after they say pork and then what happened. So when they interpret us, then they right up the road there's some man. Right up this on the far, and when you go you get this one, you have to give it something to keep the people coming in. Until the thing build. But in Negro, where we are, it's an everyday thing. You meet different people. So I don't want to lose that spot.
Can't lose it.
You understand?
Can't lose that spot.
So if me...
But yeah, what you have to do, yeah. Just say you sell small portion.
Because building the level can't rent
In the-
expensive.
How much a month?
Like 70,000 a month.
70,000 a month?
Jamaica. Or probably 100.
So that's about 7
Or probably 100. Call it roughly 100.
1,000 US.
Just say roughly 100,000 a month. Jamaica.
But you don't make that a week.
No, you're not gonna make it back same time. What can we make it up? And the food where you send out like this. And it drag back the people. So the amount you're not gonna make it whoop, whoop. No. Gradually, day after day after day after day. So you try to do good at all time. And you have to watch if you want 6 hours, 8 months or 6 hours. Well, if you don't make no money by that,
But then if you buy a food truck, a real van,
that is an issue.
Let me-
You can't work.
let me ask you.
Man, no day my daughter in America, I can't look for one to me say $60 for one.
6 million?
No, 60 US.
60,000
Yeah,
for one of the food truck.
yeah.
But see, food truck is
Which part of America she did?
Yeah. food, there's no hey. Jamaican can't build anything out here, sir.
But one of my brethren they tell me so I could have buy one of the bus and
And this-
turn it over.
That's it. You get an old bus,
Yeah,
make it drive, and a man come in, and you have the welder right out here, sir.
yeah.
And make him well up the thing. You get your tank them, your gas, and you're good. Remember say you cook at your yard still, you know. And you load up your truck for warm it up. You still have everything. It's better to have a food van and get the license for that than for rent.
Please.
Rent a location. You save your money and buy a whole van, man.
Me they look at it.
When you can't rent now, man.
Me they free, man.
Because let me tell you something. Once you get a spot for park, right, you rent, lease the land where you are park on. And the truck there on it. You see me? You can't at least pay less for the rent for the land. Right? And park up there, sir. And deal with the thing. And you know what you do? You do WhatsApp special. You create a WhatsApp broadcast list when people come, set up their phone number, and every Friday you send out a message. For the first 10 people will come, get this and this for $4. And at 200, 300 people just send a WhatsApp there to you know. WhatsApp have something named WhatsApp broadcast. So every customer you have, keep them phone number. And then you broadcast every Friday for the free pot of soup or whatever. Right? And that me tell a restaurant owner, you know. Hard. You see if you make the banana, the goat-head soup with the banana skin.
Oh my God, man, nobody mentioned them. I think the type of soup people have a restaurant by the way. Goat-head with goat belly, goat-head with goat belly, and cow skin straight.
Yeah.
With cow mouth or cow ears.
Hey. Don't, let me tell you something. Don't run from the pepper pot, you know. Cause when man them taste the pepper pot, them a come back to it, you know. They want something with fire, hot, pepper and everything to turn them around, you see me?
And you change up the soup.
And the fish head soup.
You see Friday and Saturday,
Exactly.
you do goat-head like say Friday.
Yeah.
You do cow skin Saturday.
Yeah.
You see, in a week, you do chicken back. Monday.
Yeah.
Wednesday, you do chicken foot.
Yes.
Straight.
Yes.
Everything is straight.
Yes.
Wednesday, you do some turkey neck with chicken neck.
And you know when the soup done, you know. You don't have to worry about soup done, soup how it's done, you know.
Soup sell hard anyway there.
A man can afford it. 2 bills, sometimes 3 bills, right?
250, 200 and 150. 150 for you little cup. You eat little cup like
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And I know you make it special so them can
I
replicate.
mean, I use dough in my soup.
You know, you don't
Yeah,
know.
one name vegetable. The vegetable one we don't do in it.
Yeah.
That is.
Yeah.
The pumpkin and the peas. What's that guy? I mean, I use the Mexican. Real thing.
So you have to do it, man. Anyway, you go.
Two one.
We'll see.
What go on here?
Real life run here, son. Him come and him gone. So this was Jamaica Good Life. Today was more than good. It was excellent. We had the great chef. We had 2 chefs working together today.
Peace.
And the madness. We go get the great Pokey and the great Nick.
Yeah, man.
You know, we call it the picnic, the pork Nick.
Yeah, man.
The store named Pork Nick.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good rice and peas today, you know?
Yeah.
And chicken, Jamaican style.
We did some
Not about coconut powder, me
serious,
about coconut.
real
grate
greater
up,
coconut.
Not about blend.
No,
See,
sir.
chef there, me I tell you.
See how they
See how there?
dark
Coconut, grate the hit. Make sure say boil, cook the rice and peas. We don't want that, you know.
See the big man they will make the sour sap juice. The
Soursop juice,
greatest
man.
sour sap juice maker that in the world.
Yeah, man.
Look on him look like a blender.
Yeah, man.
Come here, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, go food next.
Yeah, man.
Or half of the food next.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna say chicken back for that.
Aye.
And the
Make
rain
sure say share piece of that steam something, you know. Yeah, man.
and the rain came down.
Take care of my family, you know. That part of the family, you know. Sister, what my son? Yeah, my family, you know. Yeah, straight up.
And me put and me bring it together.
Yeah, man.
Hey, my spirit already busting, you know. My spirit already busting up.
Yeah,
Me come
already.
together and me put it together.
Nice.
You must take it from there. What is wrong with you now? How much me for do? Eh?
They done for me.
Me come together and say this is the team.
What are the man, you know, start it, man. You travel from US, come here.
Yeah.
And
You
play.
can't cut, you have to stand back away.
Come on, unite in a one country. We don't want more.
Me go Africa and me unite them and them say run. I owe you. Me say I tell you no. Oh God. Me come down here and say if you don't leave you're going to be sick. And when me see Pokey at the stand, me say them people are nice. Want to stay longer.
Yeah, man.
And then me meet Soldier and me meet Trusty out at the beach. And I say, hey, the man, they're good, you know, are good people than this. You know?
Yeah, man.
Are good people. You see me?
Yeah, man.
And then look at now, me never know, say you never know Pokey. And then you see that one there?
You know, Pokey, but we just
That one there, a
pass.
Pokey friend, you know. And him never tell you.
Yeah, man.
7 days a week.
Yeah, man.
Leave. You work every day again. 7 days a week. 2,500 a day again to lunch. And it consists of about 1,500 a day. And one in 13,000 a day. Check that to the gun. And see if they can work on that. And I don't try to work at all. But I never said it before the person. Who got a phone for the phone? I don't put it on the bill at 25.
A real business.